Hey guys, welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to check your keys for end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. So guys, to check your keys, first you just have to simply go ahead and select Messenger application or open up the Messenger into your device. Now, over here, guys, you will have an option over here, menu, on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, over here, you should have an option settings. So go ahead and tap on the settings tab. Now, over here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see over here preferences, and you will have an option over here, privacy and safety. So go ahead and tap on it. Now from here, you will have an option over here, end-to-end encrypted chats. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, guys, you should be able to see all of the settings when it comes to the end-to-end encrypted chats. You can have the preview over here. You will have security alerts, and you will have message storage. So now you could go ahead and go for security alerts, and you could just simply go ahead and select the specific security alert that you have, and you will have your keys for the end-to-end encrypted chats over here. And now, guys, you could also do the same thing on the message storage, and you will have more options over here. And you can also generate a 40 character code over here. So pretty much you will have the settings over here when it comes to end-to-end encrypted chats. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.